Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Honda Odyssey versus Chrysler Pacifica. We'll start by looking at their performance, where both minivans feature robust V6 engines, delivering ample power for daily driving and highway cruising. Next, we'll examine their comprehensive standard safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems designed to keep your family secure. Finally, we'll touch on the diverse trim levels available, offering a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Moving inside, both the Odyssey and Pacifica prioritize passenger comfort and versatility. The Pacifica stands out with its unique stow and go seating, allowing seats to fold flat into the floor for impressive cargo capacity. We'll also explore their user-friendly infotainment systems, which typically include large touchscreens and smartphone integration. Plus, discover convenient features like available rear seat entertainment and hands-free power sliding doors, perfect for busy families. Now, let's discuss the driving experience and long-term reliability. Both the Odyssey and Pacifica offer a refined and comfortable ride, making long journeys enjoyable for everyone. We'll compare their standard warranty coverages, which generally include a basic 3-year or 36,000-mile plan. Furthermore, we'll consider overall owner satisfaction and anticipated reliability, helping you understand what to expect over years of ownership. Finally, let's talk about value and our concluding thoughts. Both the Odyssey and Pacifica offer competitive starting prices, with various packages available to enhance your driving experience. We'll also consider factors like resale value and the total cost of ownership, which are crucial for a long-term investment. Ultimately, your choice depends on specific family needs and preferences. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.